Hey there, still get the Pack Gambler. We are just about to break open a 2010-2011 Zenith hockey product from Panini. It's 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. We had a bit of trading after the team matchup, so just to go over the teams and the names. So Alex starts us off with Edmonton, Laura has Toronto, Andrew has Chicago and Tampa, Alex has Calgary, Pack Gambler has Phoenix through a trade, Mike has Detroit and Buffalo, Andrew has Montreal, Pack Gambler has Colorado and Winnipeg, Mike has Nashville, Laura has the Devils, Pack Gambler has Dallas and Columbus, Andrew has Minnesota, Pack Gambler has Carolina through a trade, Greg has the Flyers through a trade, Pack Gambler has the Ducks, and Andrew has St. Louis, Pack Gambler has Washington, Andrew has Pittsburgh through trade, Alex has the Rangers, Pack Gambler has the Panthers, Andrew has the Islanders, Pack Gambler has the Canucks, Mike has the Bruins through trade, Laura has Ottawa and LA, and Mike has San Jose. Alright, here we go. So again, there's 10 packs per box. There will be a box topper, dare to tear box topper in here that we will do last. So there it is. There's our 5x7 dare to tear. We'll put that at the back. We'll do that one last. And again, whoever gets the, whoever has the player on that jumbo card will have that card plus the insert. Alright, 10 packs. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. There's our first pack. So our first pack starts off with Evander Kane for Atlanta. So Atlanta obviously is going to Winnipeg. Dan Boyle for San Jose. We got Sakic for Colorado. We have a filler. Winooski for Montreal. And Mike Richards for Philadelphia. Here's our second pack. We got Louis Eriksson for the Stars. Peter Forsberg for Colorado. We have our first rookie, the Jamie Arnell, rookie for Boston. It's going to Mike, and that's numbered 854 out of 999. So that's our first numbered rookie. It's our first hit. We have our filler. Next card is Carey Price for Montreal. And Woliski for the Rangers. Here's our third pack. Starts off with Cavalier for Boston. Brent Burns for Minnesota. We have a Nick Fotu for the Rangers. And our first relic hit is going to LA, and LA is Laura. Laura is getting this Braden Shen relic for LA, Winter Warriors. So that's our first relic. Congratulations to Laura. First time Pack Gambler mojo for you. Next card is Patrick Sharp for Chicago, and a John Tavares for the Islanders. Our next pack starts off with a cool insert for Calgary. That's a Jerome McGinley Z team. And Calgary is going to Alex, so that's an Alex hit. Don't believe these are numbered, but it is an insert. So it's a cool insert there for you, Alex. Got a Gabner for the Islanders. And another insert. This one is going to Detroit. And Detroit was with, I can't remember who has Detroit now, is with Mike. So Mike is getting Jimmy Howard, chasing the cup. Again, this insert is not numbered, but again, it is a hit. So it's pretty cool. It's going to Mike. We have a filler. We got Lidstrom for Detroit and Lucic for Boston. Alright, we're in the middle row now. It's our next pack. Peckham for Edmonton. Chris Letang for Pittsburgh. Rod Gilbert for the Rangers. I have a filler. Mikko Koivu for Minnesota. And Backstrom for Washington. And our next pack starts off with Corey Crawford for Chicago. Peckham again for Edmonton. It's hard to see doubles in here, but that's a double for us. We get a Jean Beliveau for Montreal. We have another filler. And Andrew Ladd for Atlanta. This goes to Winnipeg. And Brad Richards for the Dallas Stars. 4 packs left in our 2010-2011 Zenith box break from the Pack Gambler. First card is, we got some nice cards coming up. Matthew Lombardi for Nashville. Our second card is going to the Florida Panthers, and Florida was, I believe we had Florida. We did. That's a David Booth red parallel. These aren't numbered, so it's going to the Pack Gambler. Those are really cool cards though. And another insert, which is a Montreal insert, which is really nice. There's Carey Price, Poulet, and Max Pacioretty. That's going to Andrew. The Zenith teams, I believe they're called. These are unnumbered, so that's an Andrew hit. They're always cool. Mosaics, that's what they are, sorry. Filler. Patrick Marleau for San Jose, and Jeff Carter for Philadelphia. Okay, our last 3 packs. Good luck everybody that's in the break. And then we're going to open up our 5x7 Dare to Tear card after these 3. First card is a Rolison for Tampa. Oh, there we go. Now we have a Behind the Bench. I believe this is an on-card autograph. It is an on-card autograph of Bruce Boudreau for Washington. And Washington is with us. So nice card. That's going to the Pack Gambler. It is an on-card autograph, and it is numbered. 102 out of 199. If I can get that there on the camera. There we go. So a pretty cool card. So that's going to us. We have a insert, Gifted Grinders. This is a Columbus hit, Derek Dorsett. These are not numbered. And Columbus was with us as well. We have a filler. We got a Jerome McGinley for Calgary, and Dustin Brown for the Kings. Our second last pack of our 2010 Zenith box break from the Pack Gambler, www.packgambler.com. Grabowski for the Leafs, Dan Boyle for the San Jose Sharks. Got a Curtis Joseph for St. Louis. These are cool cards. We've had a couple of retro players in them. That's always nice. Got a filler. Then we have a Lundqvist for the Rangers, and a Sidney Crosby for Pittsburgh. Alright, here's our last pack. And then we're going to open up our Dare to Tear. Good luck everybody on the last pack. Grabner for the Islanders. Grabowski for the Leafs. We have a Atlanta insert. Pavlik. Crease is the word. And Atlanta is with with Winnipeg. And Winnipeg is with us, I believe. Yes, that's with the PackGambler. And our next hit is going to the Ducks, which unfortunately is us again. And is a rookie roll call. Cam Fowler. Relic. Not numbered. Better relic nonetheless. Decent relic. And Patrick Kane and Jokinen round out that pack. So unfortunately we got a couple of hits there, but hopefully somebody will pull this nice beauty here. Good luck. I believe somebody will, so that's great. Great news. And I believe everybody is online. And the Dare to Tear relic, jumbo card, is a Felix Potvin. Let me just see if I can get the camera up a bit. Felix Potvin, jumbo, Dare to Tear card. And the Leafs went to Laura. So Laura is online. Laura, this card has a card inside of it. If you're online and able to type in the chat room, if you'd like me to open that up online, I can. If not, I can send it to you as is right now, just like this. So I'll just wait a couple of seconds while we have the recording going on. This is your hit. So again, inside of it we'll have an autograph or a relic card that is probably short numbered, to say the least. So I'm not sure if you're able to type in the chat room or not, but we can open this online for you. If not, we'll send it in one piece, and then you're able to open it up yourself as well. So congratulations to Laura. So that's a Laura hit. So that's always nice, because there's some decent cards that you can pull in there, that's for sure. Especially on-card autographs of all the rookies. So just to recap on the hits and the inserts that we pulled. So Laura again obviously is getting the Felix Potvin Dare to Tear jumbo card. Put that back there for now. We had a Cam Fowler relic. Crease is the word. Pavlik insert. We had an on-card autograph of Bruce Boudreau. We had a Zenith Mosaic for Montreal. We had a David Booth red parallel. We had a Jimmy Howard Chasing the Cup insert. We had a Jerome Iginla Z-Team insert. We had a Braden Shen relic Winter Warriors. That went to Laura. And Mike pulled the Jamie Arnell rookie card from here, numbered at $9.99. Thanks everybody for being in the break. Congratulations to those that received hits. Next up, we're going to do our bonus hits, bonus draws for those that were participating in the break. Congratulations again, Laura, on your Felix Potvin Dare to Tear jumbo card.